I had the idea the other night that I would start doing these prompt videos where I just give you a kind of color or visual painting exercise, partially to help me think of different things to do with my students and just to give you something fun to try. I'm going to try to do it as frequently as possible. I have a new setup, this world I'm in right now, and it is really great. So hopefully I will get some more videos out to you soon. The prompt I have for you tonight is just to make a white painting. So we're going to use titanium white and maybe a zinc white or some type of flake white to create a representational painting. You could do a self-portrait or try to do something organic. I find that that's easier to kind of trick yourself into thinking that there's leeway with the values that you're seeing, because right now you're not really going to be able to build any value. It's all dependent on really subtle hue shifts. And maybe choose 3 brushes of different shapes and sizes, and that might give you some variation, so you can use mark to really define the space as well. Creating atmosphere by brushing through old strokes, having really long strokes, small strokes, thinking about if you're going to mix any of the hues and have a gradation, or are you going to keep them strictly separate and maybe have it be more of a drawing. You could take the Giacometti approach where you're just building form through gestural mark and like explorative measuring visual record, or you could take more like an underpainting approach where you build form through the use of light. And yeah, I'd love to see what you're going to come up with. So you can use the hashtag earworked if you want, and hopefully I'll see more of your work soon.